Welcome back to my Zenith Healing channel. Right now we're at my basement, the little mini archery range I made for myself, and I'm gonna show you my own Zen Archery. Meditation combined with movement and stillness. For those of you who are familiar with Zen Archery, one of the famous ones is the Japanese Kyudo, and it involves a lot of etiquettes and also rituals. And for those of you who do not know about Kyudo, I'm leaving the link below in my description box so you can click on it and check it out. But today I'm going to show you my own style of Zen Archery, which is very simple and easy to do. For those of you who already know how to do archery, you will just get it right away. Anyways, I'm going to start showing you how now. Before shooting, I look at the target first. Then I turn my vision blurry and shoot without aiming. Arrow 1 is way off because my mind is simply too busy. Arrow 2 is closer to the target as my mind has subsided. Arrow 3 is landed right on the target I was aiming at. And now, my mind and heart are as one in a meditative state. At Zenith Healing Centre, I do offer a one-on-one Zen Archery session. Because the space is very limited, so I'm not able to offer a group session right now. However, if you are really interested in doing my style of Zen Archery with me, please see the description box below with the information on how you can register with me. And thank you very much for watching. So if you like this video, please click like and share with those people who you think might like it. And please do subscribe and click the bell so you can get the latest notification of my future vlogs. And also, please leave your precious comment below so that I can improve more and more on my vlogs in the future to bring more exciting things to you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Namaste.